Namaskar. Once a novice in Goan politics, he has become a strongman of Salsate today. We are talking of a person who started his political career with Churchill LMO, with Save Goa Party, and then today he needs no party. He has won on his own as an independent candidate against what the people thought would be. Yes, we are talking about Aleixo Reginald Lourenco, the MLA of Curtorim constituency. And we are going to talk to him about how the journey so far has been since 2007. The party he used to always criticize, now he is supporting the same party. We are going to talk to him what made him change his stance and what were the developments which led to this situation today. Welcome, Reginald Bab. Tell us how it has been so far for last, this is your fourth term. How has been the journey so far?
I'll just correct my introduction. I have not come with Churchill. I have got elected before I was an MP. Before I got elected as an MLA, I did 2 terms of ZP. So
But that time it was not on political lines.
that was already on. I was already on elected, and I was on Congress. I was on the Congress party. Means we were, well wishers of the Congress party. So I have not got elected on Churchill. I'll correct myself. I have got elected. See, for me, politics I have learned not even from Sardin. Churchill though is out of question. I won't learn all these dirty tricks. We learned from one guy called Sebastian. Bushtown he was a sarpanch. Yeah. I learned politics from him. So from there to till today, my career started and I have worked very hard. I can tell you, I am an encyclopedia of helping others, working on the ground, you know, falling, getting up, breaking my legs, again getting up. I have got up the hard way. There was nobody who has, told me, no, you don't do this, don't do that. They have allowed me to fall. But I have fought and I have come up. I have rectified mistakes. I have not repeated my mistakes. I made new mistakes. And the process goes on, and I am confident that, by this method, I will reach somewhere. So my journey starts from very small, humble. Till today, my journey is not over.
Still,
I
yeah.
am, yeah. My journey is still left. I know where I am. I have come from, and I know where I have to go. That's all. In between, this is all. It doesn't matter. I will win. I will work hard. I will work. I will remain humble. I will remain small man. Today you have introduced me as a strong man. I am still not a strong man. I am yet to become a strong man. But certainly one day I will be
No,
a
but
strong man.
how is it? My question is, how is it being independent, being your own boss, knowing don't have to follow anybody's dictats?
Actually, we don't follow anybody. As far as agriculture, we follow our land.
Yeah.
We follow our soil. We follow our people. So we follow what nature requires, what our fields require. So practically speaking, we get advice how best to follow our land, and that's where we don't follow anybody. Only God is there with
No,
us. God,
politically talking.
politically talking, I was one of the strongest, most vocal man in the Congress party.
Yeah.
Now, those few fellows in the Congress, I just don't know, name them and give them importance. They're not worth the piece of salt. They sabotaged me and made me reach where the party which I was criticizing to support that party. In fact, they are responsible for this mess, and I am happy that I am out from that mess. I am happy that I am out from those people. I have no other comments, but one thing I am sure, that these fellows, have put me so much down that I have reached somewhere. So I'm happy. I have no issues. I know where I have to reach. I will work hard. And one more thing, the process of working will teach me a lot of lessons, and I will learn them well and reach where I'm supposed to reach.
Reginald, since 2007, when you came, you have been 2007 to 12. You have been part of the government. Yeah. Under the Gambar Kamat. Yeah. Then 2012 to 2022, you were the major critic of BJP government. And how does it feel to support the same party again?
To tell you very frankly, it is quite a challenging job. It's not so easy. The party you criticize and suddenly you join them, it's not so easy. See, the circumstances, make you. See, I always tell, it's like this. Circumstances make you and break you. So these circumstances, what they have put me in, obviously, I had to do that. I know it is a challenge. I am facing the challenge, and I will come out of it. See, always if you have seen, whichever challenge I have gone out of it is because of my consistency, hard work, dedication, my sincerity, my honesty. All this has worked towards me. I'm not saying I'm the most honest guy. I'm not saying I'm the best guy. I certainly, we politicians are looked from down to up. We are not measured from 1 to 100. We are measured 100 down. So how less bad you are, how less corrupt you are, how less. So I think I stand above the rest. I think I may be wrong, but I think I should be. I think you should give me some marks there.
Uh, Reginald, whenever there is something wrong in Goa, people looked at you as one of the crusaders for the BJP since 2012. And whenever anything wrong happened, you took it up in the assembly, inside and outside the assembly. Now, being the part of the government, don't you feel anything wrong is going on? There are several issues like Madai, there are issues of casinos, there are gambling, then the tourism, touts. Why don't you raise these issues now?
I will raise. I will raise. It's not a question. I'm not raising. See, I'm waiting for the opposition. See, when I was the opposition, I was going helter skelter to even get details. Now, so many details are available, yet the opposition is not doing their job. I don't see, I being an opposition, who I played the part of opposition, somebody can't explain to me what is opposition. When I was opposition for 10 years, these fellows now from the Congress party, 8 fellows moved out. They could not wait for 6 months. They could not wait. I was in opposition for 10 years. I know what's the struggle. Nobody has done opposition the way I did for 10 continuous years. Don't tell me I had no offers. I had the best offers. Manohar Parrikar used to tell me, Arey Baba, why are you shouting? Your congressman, which door he enters and which door he goes out, don't ask me. So you are the only fellow who is doing this. Why are you doing it? Be practical, get your work done in your constituency. And the same thing actually my people were talking when I was raising issues. My people, some fellows, I have my critics. God bless them. I have no issues. If those critics are not there, I will not reach somewhere. They used to say, why are you taking issues of outside Kurtoni, of the state of Goa? Who are you? You are MLA of Kurtoni. You take up issues of Kurtoni. So this year, my election platform, I told my people, I will rely on you. I will take up issues of the constituency. Today I had an inspection of Sasra. I am fighting tooth and nail to see Sasra from day one till today. And I am convinced that I am going to clear Sasra in my tenure. I am convinced. Today I am in fact convinced. I had the last meeting. I am convinced that we are on the right track. Why? All these years we were criticized that we are not doing the right job. Now High Court says we are doing a right job. So I'm happy, that we are on the right track. See, we have to be a right track. We have to deliver. Now all these things, is ultimately our critics. They just talk. But practically speaking, I'll give one small example. Just before the elections, all these fellows were talking against us. These jokers, 10 p.m. jokers and company, they were talking on us. They were talking so much on us. They took videos, this is not done, that is done. They cannot do anything. I finally did some of the fellows' works. Some are balanced, I'm going to do them. Because they criticize me, no, they are my people. Ultimately, I have to work for the people. I have done their work. So we are here to take everybody along, and we will succeed, and we will do work, and we will see that our constituency, becomes a model constituency.
What my question here was, you, being the part of the government, you couldn't criticize them in the assembly. But have you taken up the issues with the chief minister that this is going wrong, that is going wrong? At least that part you could have played.
I'm a responsible MLA. What part I have played, I know. But let us not go into that because it will become a controversy. I avoid controversies. I'm the most controversial fellow. I create controversies, or rather, controversies follow me. So I have done my job. I can assure you, whatever you are thinking, I am on that page. Don't worry. Whatever right and whatever wrong is there, from time to time, I have told the chief minister, I have told whoever is supposed to tell, and I am a person who, however much you may try me, think that I am going to, keep quiet, or I am not talking. I will talk. You can't stop me from talking and voicing my opinion.
Talking about the works you have done, when you were in the opposition, you were very vocal about the Sansado garbage dump. Being the part of the government, why the issue doesn't come up now?
It is coming up. It's not that it's not coming up. The day I went to the assembly, the first assembly, till today I've been continuously pushing the government left, right, center. Not only in the assembly. If you see my correspondence, my cupboard is full of correspondence. Even in between, I remind the government, you have to do this, you have to do that. Now, finally, I just said, High Court is monitoring it. I'm happy it's getting done. But I only want to tell the critics who think that, they think that they have done it, they have gone to the High Court. I just tell those critics that even High Court is convinced what we are doing is right. So I was also not convinced that what they were doing right. I was also after them. But finally now, after the involvement of the High Court is better. You see Panjim. Panjim people are shouting that work is not that Panjim city is destroyed and this and that. Now High Court will monitor it. He is happy. Babu should be happy that, I feel he should be happy that High Court is monitoring. At least High Court will tell these fellows critics that the work is going as per procedure, or as per it has to go. At least those critics should stop talking. So Babush, I think, should be happy. Like that, I am happy that at least these critics, otherwise every day they would sit, not done this, not done this. 3 MLAs took money, the high-powered committee took money, this, and they are the same fellows, who are shouting, are the same fellows, who went to court, who are trying to gain mileage. I am convinced that we will do work, and I'll tell you, with the ruling dispensation, now coming to your question, with the ruling dispensation, it is good that I will get it done. So I will say that it will help me. So those who criticize me that I am supporting the BJP government, they should be happy that I have cleared that thing. So I'll work towards it. I will see that it is cleared, and you see, and the government supports me. The chief minister also supports me. And there is no question of chief minister not supporting me. So he will see that we will see that the work is done along with the government. I will see that it is done. We will see. We will all join together to see this Sosro is cleared. Not only the legacy dump, even the everyday day-to-day waste is cleared.
Reginald, when in Congress, you were seen that you were going against the party, meaning there was frequent quarrels and you between the party leaders, you then there is. I don't want to take names against whom you made allegations or whatever charges, but is BJP different because it don't seem to be taking them on if there is anything wrong. Is there no liberty in the BJP to do that?
Uh, in politics, there is, see, you have to be dynamic. You can't be static. I remember Willy's words, Dr. Willy's words. He used to say politics is dynamic. You can't say that this should be the rule here, this should be a method. You were like this before, you were like this now. Dynamic. You have to succeed. The prize is only one. So do anything but
So,
succeed.
but basically, it looks like there is no liberty in BJP for dissent.
No, it is not. See,
There is no room
one
for
second. There
dissent.
is, see, everybody has a rule, but it is the first fellow who will break the rule. So all rules are meant to be broken. Don't worry. So they will be also broken. It's not that in BJP there is no these. In Congress there is Congress. They allow you to talk, but where they have to put a knife in put a bamboo in your ass, they know. So don't think it is just because somebody is not talking, you cannot constitute that person to be to be not doing anything, and the fellow who is talking no, it's not like that. So BJP and Congress, whatever it is, I will voice my opinion. I will take the role of the person who the people want me to. Don't worry, we will take it at the right time. We will see how and what everything. Sometimes you have to watch.
Even after 2017 to 22, this term, you were being called by your own party colleagues as a BJP man.
They have no work. So what they were talking, and what has happened to the party now, how many fellows went to the BJP. So it looks like they were from the BJP and trying to show they are not from the BJP and telling, trying to, make me a BJP guy so that they are covering their sins. It looked like now. I am putting it to you that all this company who was saying that I was a BJP man, that they were himself tied up with the BJP. They had made a deal with the BJP to see that the Congress doesn't come to power, and they were trying, because I was not allowing them to do what they want. They were making me a BJP guy, to show me in bad light. Why how you can prove me wrong? So making me BJP, trying to, say that Tiger Elo, mu khabar jata, ek yahan lalo.
No, they came in, but finally you also supported BJP.
I didn't support the BJP. I contested independent. Congress fellow joined the BJP. They can't answer that. I'm an independent. I have not joined the BJP. And I went out at the flag end of my tenure. I didn't go in between. I didn't get elected. I didn't in Curtorim constituency. I have not got elected on a Congress ticket and then gone to the BJP. No, I have got elected on the independent. I am independent.
So basically, you are trying to say here that what is the difference between being independent, supporting BJP, and joining BJP? So you mean to say that if BJP does something wrong, you are ready to withdraw your support?
1 second. I'll correct you. Congress to BJP, those have shifted base are different, and I contested independent are different. Clarify that point. So they have gone to the people, got elected on the Congress ticket, and joined the BJP and defected to the BJP. I am not a defector.
So you are at liberty. Whenever there is something wrong, you are going to you can withdraw. But that option is there.
Cannot be, just liberties to do what you want.
Yeah.
You are accountable for it. I am a responsible MLA. I have got elected 4 times. I will take mature decisions. I will not take immature decisions. Rather, let me put it this way. Let us be more humble. Let's be more practical. What mistakes I have made before, I will see that I don't make. All these years I was talking against the BJP. The same Congress leaders used to tell Manor Parrikar, "You don't worry and let him talk. We are with you." The same fellows in the Congress legislature party used to tell Parrikar, हांव एकला उलयतालो तेका उलयनी तो पिस जाला तेका जाय ते उलयनी आमी तुजी बारबो आहाय कोण उलयताले. Legislators used to speak. So they were using me to speak and getting their work done with the BJP. And the same fellows were calling me BJP. Why? Because they were going to the BJP. So I am explaining the situation. हांवें इतू constructive opposition केलें जायत मुझे कमेंट मारताले तूं उलयलो कितें केलें. At 10 PM Joker and company मुझे हितू टार्गेट 5 वर्सां सांगपाक तो ऑपोजिशन उलयता बेस्ट उलयता दाखोवपा उलयता आपण BJP नाम दाखोवपा उलयता उठोन सुटोन एवरी डे. Congress party, those rogue leaders used to say तो BJP दाखोवपा BJP नाम दाखोवपा उलयता बेस्ट उलयता तो कितें उलयता तेका खबर ना उलयता कोण पयशे घेता. एकल्यान one disgraced ex-president said, I am taking money Curtorim. Disgraced. Curtorim सांगिल्लें की हांव हें घेता म्हूण उलयता आनी पयशे घेता म्हूण. देव आहा हिंगा ते कापास जाल्यार देवा हाडल्यान हात दोन म्हूण सांगनी. आज देखून ते कापास जाल्यार आनी फाल देखून न्ही आत कापास जाल्यार हांव टीव्हीचेर सांगता कोणा कापास जाल्यार मुगे हांडीचे हात धरे हांव दोत्ता पण तुवें धरूंक जाय. सांगपाक आपण उलयता सारकें म्हूण हांव दोत्ता.
Talking about you said you will not commit the mistake again. Could you just elaborate on that?
ना सी मिस्टेक
Which mistake? Going against the party?
ना मिस्टेक म्हळ्यार कितें आहा पॉलिटिक्सांत मिस्टेक्स आर नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट. वेर यू रीच इज इम्पॉर्टंट. जो जिकाय वो सिकंदर. जो तो कोण काम करता तेज बरोबर लोक रावतले. सो आतां तूं म्हाका कितें विचारून सोदिता तूं लोकां बरोबर रावन काम करपाक सोदिता वो स्वता लागून जिखतलो कितें तें सारकें क्लॅरिफाय कर म्हाका ते भाशेन आन्सर दिता तुका.
My thing is, you basically said that you don't want to commit the mistake again.
ना मिस्टेक म्हळ्यार कितें आहा मिस्टेक म्हळ्यार तूं खंयचे भाशेन मिस्टेक जाल्या. हांवें स्वता कांय केलें ना. हांवें स्वता कांय केलें ना. हांव मुगे पायगे घरां रावतां आनी शेपायगे भाटां रावतां. हांव मनोहर पर्रीकाराक सांगतालो तुज्यान मुगे कांय करपा जायना. हांव फाटल्यान शेतां तें रोयन उपास रावपा ना पूण तुका भीक मागपा ना म्हूण. ते भाशेन आय वॉन्ट टू टेल यू दॅट हांव कांयच्या कांय करना. वॉट आय एम ट्रायंग टू से इज हांव कांयच्या कांय करपा ना. बरें डिसिजन कितें आहा तें घेतलो लोकां जाय तें म्हणजे सी वी हॅव इंडिपेंडंट आमकां लोकांनी बयस म्हणलें. इट वॉज नॉट अ सिंपल डिसिजन म्हाका इंडिपेंडंट बयस म्हणपाक. सो कितें करपा आहा तें आमी लोकांक घेवन फुडें वयतले आनी बरें आहा तें करतले. बट इम्पॉर्टंट म्हळ्यार you cannot cross the bridge before you reach the bridge. So what is going to happen next? Why spoil beautiful today by thinking about tomorrow? Let us face it. I have got my people. I have got my advisors. I have got my well wishers who will guide me. I have got my God. I'm God has today what I am is because of God. Don't worry. I don't talk to God. I
God never came to talk to you.
no. I won't make that mistake. So I want to tell you that you know, we will have God's blessings to do what is right, and I assure you that beyond, you know, creating, talking and creating controversy, or talking for the galleries, or talking and making mistakes, I want to tell you that whatever we do, we will do a right thing, and we will do a just and a fair thing.
Being 3 terms in the opposition and then contesting independent, how difficult was it or how easy for you it was to get elected?
It was a tough thing. The way people criticize me, the way this few, you know, this 10 p.m. Joker and company was there. 10 p.m. Joker's
Who are
company.
these 10 p.m. jokers?
10 p.m. Jokers company, you know who it is.
No,
That
our viewers don't know.
10 p.m. Jokers company is one company which is run like a company. It is supported by the party which I am supporting now. So, you know, those fellows, you know, they criticize me so much. Even now they are criticizing Kargil, and Kargil was not done by me. They don't know. They have no facts. They are hypothetical. They have got themselves, you know what, they have, you know, they are on a falsehood. They are, the base is falsehood. So they will not reach anyway. Let's not talk about them. But I want to tell you, all these fellows, you know, made my journey, you know, for 6 months very tough. I didn't sleep even for 1 hour a day. And I really had a toughest time of my, you know, to tell you very frankly, I had the toughest time in my life. Anyway, it was well worth it. God blessed me. You know, my people supported me, and you see, all my goodness, I feel now, I'm convinced that I have done something good. That's why God helped me, and I will continue doing good. And I assure my people that I will work hard, more smart, and win their hearts and get elected again 100%.
One thing I want to ask you, why are you loved so much by the Revolutionary Goons Party?
This is the same 10 p.m. jockey. This is the same party. I call them 10 p.m. jokers party. They have got all type of fellows. They have got white collar criminal. They have got one white collar criminal, Adit. He is Facebook. All Facebook fakes are run by him.
Okay.
See, there are all. They have got see. They are on falsehood. Their base is falsehood. जो मुनीस फोटिंग पणान वयर सोदता ताका फ्युचर ना तो फोटिंग. So their base is सारकी on that person of origin म्हणटाय तें in गोवन लोकां फोटयले. लोकां तेणें the middle segment, the segment which you call them the middle class.
Middle class.
They have taken advantage of their weakness. That is why I am against them. Politically, it helps me if they are there. It helps me because 2-3 opposition are there, always good. 2-3 opposition are always good than one opposition, single fight. But I am taking them on because they have taken advantage of the middle class, weakness of the middle class. I cannot tolerate injustice being done to people. I don't mind, I can't do justice, but injustice मुद्दे म्हाका tolerate जायना. तेणे middle class they have played with the sentiments, which is very hurtful for me. I am first human and then politician. I am not a commercial businessman, commercial politician. ताका लागून तेंचे कोंत्र हांव, नाल्यार बेस्ट कोंत्र ना. ते म्हजे उलयले हांव कोंत्र ना. म्हजे जाय जावं उलयताय. Can I answer everybody? बाबूश मनसरात सदां म्हणटा वयत वयत म्हणटा आनी हाटल्याक कॉल येता पडटा म्हूण. सदां म्हणटा. Anyway, they are like that. They are like scholars. Anyway, let them do what they want. I am criticizing them because they are taking advantage of the middle class. बारीक मनीस तो मिडल क्लास आहा तो ओडवाड्यात बाडो. Don't take advantage of their weakness. Don't tell them falsehood. I will not allow that.
You're calling
कितले
them
त्रास
false,
वाट-
but they have got almost 1 lakh votes.
बाबा, Hitler has ruled. आनी कितें जाय तुका? Sometimes God has his ways. He brings.
So basically you say they have no future after this.
I am not there to decide their future. I have said they are on a falsehood base. Falsehood base is falsehood. They can never thrive. I have not said that they are. I have not said that I am who God is there to decide about the future. I am not some. I cannot predict their future. But I have said their future. I have predicted their future because they are on falsehood. Now it depends on God. It depends on the people. There is somebody above us. For me also, I always say that God helps me, and you criticize me, you say what you want, you comment on me. I will not deny the fact that last elections, because I had done some good, I got elected. We have won and we have worked hard and we will continue working hard.
Today, sitting here, do you thank God that you didn't join TMC? Looking at what happened to Luisin Falero,
Certainly. I thank God.
what made you to join TMC and then again?
See, what made me join CMC is because they said they would have an alliance with the Congress, all these jokers party, then Aam Aadmi, then go forward, and they would fight the BJP. So I said Congress is not giving me importance. Might as well as take party. I will have importance. I will be the only person there. At least as a party, फाल कितें जाल जाल्यार एक मिनिस्टर जावपाक चान्स पडटलो. TMCचे see, I am बरें जालें हांव थिंग ना म्हण बट TMCंत they assured me that they would that we would have an alliance. The moment I saw that they were playing with me, goodbye. For 10 days they were after me. I didn't want to join them. They really mesmerized me and they really made
So
it.
all these talks of 20 crores, 25 crores, 50
See,
crores or what?
See, 20 crores, 50 crores is 20 crores म्हणल्यार कितले पयशे ते खबर आहा तुका? एक पार्सल केल्यार कितले खबर आहा? तुमी उलयताय सगळे उलयताय मागीर तूं उलयता.
I'm just talking
लोक
to you
उलयताय
as
तांकां
what
विचार
people have been
तांकां
saying.
विचार 20 crores आठासान दिसती पडटा न्ही एक थोड्या लोकांक. 20 crores म्हळ्यार it cannot be just brought, no. So they also don't know how much is 20 crores. I have not seen 20 crores in my life. I have never seen him. I am here in front of God and saying I don't have. I have not seen 20 crores. I have not seen that much of money. I have not seen, see these people, they are, I have not seen 5 crores. So where is the question of हे उलयताय ते? So where, काही नाही उलोवपाक काही नाही आतां कितें जाता आनी एक गोश्ट सांगता. कोण गीत गेला तो देव जाण न्ही. Why simply talk? आनी एक गोश्ट त्या जाणा 30 crores, 40 crores मेळ्ळाले आतां पोतून आमकां त्या 20 crores मेळ्ळे जाल्यार आतां 40 crores मेळटले. or 50 crores मेटले जाल्यार अशें चलना. So where is the question? So anyway, let's not go into details as far as money is concerned. पण एक मातशें, it is a well known fact, without money you can't do politics. Let's not deny the fact. Let us not run away from reality and play for the galleries. If there is any politician who tells me that there is, you can do politics without money, please get him in front of me.
But that has to be in the right way, right?
See, money is not written. On the money, no, on that paishanche, it is not written right and wrong way. So if it was written, we could identify. Now, how you do you explain
So
right
you
way?
mean to say if the TMC had offered, you were ready to take it?
See, there is no question of taking that offer because I have left the party.
Yeah.
So there is the question now. So there is out. See, if somebody offers me money, if somebody give me money, why should I not take it? But then we are not. I am not a person in a hurry. I am not here to make money. I have not made my. I am मुगे घर केलना. कोणाच्यान म्हणपा जायना आजून देखून. आमी कोणागेले पयशे आयले कोणा एक केलो कोणाच्यान म्हणपा जायना. देन लास्ट आमी जर तर पयशां दावले जाल्यार आनी खंय आसताले. आय वॉन्ट टू कीप इट लायक दॅट. आय वॉन्ट टू बी ग्रावंडेड. आय वॉन्ट टू रिमेन लायक दीस. एसो मोटरसायकलीचेर भोंवपा जाय म्हाका एसो आजून देखून आय वॉन्ट टू मेंटेन द सेम स्टँडर्ड. 20 crores 30 crores घेता तेगे कोट्टा स्टँडर्ड कोट्टा ते कितको भोंवताय ते व्हडली व्हडली गाडी घेवन भोंवताय आमकां आनी त्यो बारकेल्यो गाडी आहाय. बट वी आर व्हेरी हॅपी एंड कंटेंट आनी एक and 20 crores 30 crores into आमच्या लफड्यान पडपा नाय.
So what do you think about Luisino's resignation? I asked you that also, looking at that thing.
See, Herald has made him prodigal son. Newspaper Herald. Somebody has something. You have criticized him. If you go to see, certainly Louis Fallet, Churchill, Alemán, they could do a lot of things for Goa. They had the power, they were in the ruling, they had everything with them. But then Corona, then Kelna. They cannot say they did something. No doubt, they have settled issues. No doubt, they have done some work, no doubt. But, to make them gods, I don't think.
You have been in the opposition for 3 years, then you supported BJP. But your enthusiasm, as you said, is still the same,
Don't worry.
has remained the same. Now, being the GIDC chairman, the corporation which you criticized during your opposition days over SEZs, plots, then infrastructure, Now becoming the chairman of this corporation, what have you been able to do with your enthusiasm of being in the
See,
opposition?
I'll tell you, you were talking of corruptions. Kal aaye, when I took over, we did auctioning of plots, SEZ plots. Not one bit of interference. 0.001% of corruption now. I have announced second phase now of advertising.
So first
I
phase
will
has
keep
already
my
been
name.
auctioned.
First phase auctioned and सगळे ड्यूज आहे ते आम्ही क्लियर केले. JIDC पडे लोन आसलो तो क्लियर केलो. आतां नेक्स्ट प्लॅन मातशें डोंट अलाव मी टू स्पीक. शीत फुडें मीठ खावप न्ही. शीत आनी मीठ बारबो खावप. सो हें जालें काय ना हांव तुका मागीर नेक्स्ट प्लॅन दिता. आनी आय कॅन एश्योर यू वॉट आय वॉज टॉकिंग आय विल रेक्टिफाय. Not I, we will rectify. I can't say I. It's not I business, it is we business. We will rectify it. आनी JIDCन नांव दोन म्हाका वचपा जाय. म्हाका नांव पिड्डेकोन वचपा नाका. ही मुगे चॅलेंज आं. मीन्स इट इज नॉट सो इजी. बट I will do my utmost. I am telling you, गांठ जाली. काल सायन मारलें फायल. ऑक्शनिंग वचपाक. आनी कोण जाल्यार करपा न्ही. जाय जाल्यार वॉच करताय म्हाका. हांव कितें कोत्ता काय म्हूण. When I will make my first mistake. I told you, म्हाका देवागे बेसांव आहा. I will not make mistakes. And mind you, I will better my name and my records. जो कोण चिंत्ताय हांव BJP सपोर्ट केलां म्हूण हांव मुगे नांव पिड्डे कोत्तलों वो आनी कितें कोत्तलों ना. See, every person has the good side. Even a robber, even a rapist has the good side. So everybody has a good side. So I will take the good and move ahead. I will not touch the bad, but what good I have, we will take it. Even in the Congress party, don't think there is no bad. There is. You had such characters there. You had worse characters. Don't ask me how much they have not troubled me. हांव तूं म्हणटालो आतां एकूच एग्जाम्पल दिता तुका. तूं म्हणटालो की आमी ऑपोजिशन बरें केलें म्हूण. एक पट्टेन रेजोल्युशन गेलां म्हाका कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करपाक. एकूच रेजोल्युशन गेलां GPCन हांव बरें ऑपोजिशन करता म्हणून. चॅलेंज मारता तुका हांव. येल ना. सो everybody has a good side. I will better my records. I will work hard and I will see that I keep up name. GIDC, I will see that, I make it one of the, even Kadambas, I had done a lot of good things. Like that, what experience I have there, I will use it here and make it, one step higher. I can assure you that, I will record. I will tell you that, we will better our performance. At least, हांव पण कितें उलयतालो तें सगळें रेक्टिफाय करून उलयतालो.
One last thing I want to ask you is, will your constituency votes convert to BJP for the forthcoming parliamentary election? Will you be able to give the votes to BJP
We will cross the bridge
when it comes?
when it comes. I tell you, I have got full faith in God. God will guide me to do what is right. And I tell you, I will pass this exam of yours in flying colors.
Thank you very much, Reginald. You gave us your precious time. You answered all our queries, and we wish you all the best for future. Thank you.